Express 29 in Roman numerals. A. XXXI. B. LIX. C. XXIX. D. IXXX. E. LIXX. Solution. Let's express 29 in expanded form. Equals 10 plus 10 plus 9. Where Roman numeral x means 10. And Roman numeral ix means 9. Then, to express 29 in Roman numeral equals XXIX. The correct answer is C. Find the area of the above triangle. A. 64 square centimeters. B. 40 square centimeters. C. 32 square centimeters. D. 20 square centimeters. E. 16 square centimeters. Solution. Area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. Where base equals 16 centimeters. And height equal 4 centimeters. Therefore, 1/2 by 16 by 4. 16 divided by 2 gives 8. 8 times 4 is equal to 32 square centimeters. The correct answer is C. Find the perimeter of the above shape. A. 55 centimeters. B. 45 centimeters. C. 43 centimeters. D. 42 centimeters. E. 40 centimeters. Solution. We first find the unknown side. If this side is 7 centimeters. And here is 5 centimeters. Then, 7 centimeters minus 5 centimeters gives 2 centimeters. And here 3 centimeters. Therefore, 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters gives 5 centimeters. Know that the perimeter of an irregular polygon equals sum of all sides. Therefore, 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3 equals 40 centimeters. The correct answer is E.